guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Sammy, and I am going to be starting my Lexus GX460 Overland build, I should say. I'm going to start off with the electrical system, and I know most of you guys I've seen people starting with their suspensions and stuff, but to me the electrical system is more important for now, and I want to get that out of the way. And since I've already done the crawl control and the multi-terrain select, I want to get all of the technical electrical stuff out of the way, and this is what I'm starting with. So let me show you real quick all the stuff that I have. I think this is all I need, but I may have to add some stuff. I'm not too good with electrical stuff, so yeah, let's have a look at what I have. Alright you guys, this is the stuff that I got. I got a Renogy 100 watt premium solar panel. That's the model number, and it seems to be a nice one, has good reviews. Obviously I bought it from Amazon. We'll be mounting that to my roof rack, and that is this Prinsu Design Studio. I will be doing a video on this. This one I ordered it with the cutout for a 1-inch light bar, 1-inch by 42-inch light bar, and we'll be doing a video on the roof rack install. I haven't seen one for the GX460 for the Prinsu roof rack install. I've seen for some other brands, but not for this one. And here's the other stuff I got. I got a fuse block, Blue Sea. Got all the 6-gauge wires, red and black. I got some 12-volt power sockets and USB sockets. This is the MC4 connectors to bare wire. This will go from my solar panel to my wire. This is the wire I'm going to use, 14 gauge. I know it says speaker wire, but it's fine. This is the good one. This is the oxygen free wire. It's bare copper or whatever. I got Anderson plugs since they're so highly recommended on YouTube. These are the wire connectors for the 6-gauge. These are for the battery terminals. These are for the smaller connections, wire connectors. They're called solder seal. So they've got the solder inside and the insulation. These are red arc fuses. It's a fuse kit. It's got the 40 amp MIDI fuses and the holders. This is a battery monitor. Some of this conduit, I think it's called, protect the wires. I've got the ARB Classic Fridge Freezer version 2. It's the 50 quart, which is 47 liter. It's the new model with the, I guess, the Bluetooth monitor that you can attach. This is sort of what it looks like. It's got the new, it's not blue anymore, it's like a, I don't know, bronzish color, which I'll be mounting this fridge in the back. Also I got a Red Arc BCDC 1225D, and this is going to supply power to my auxiliary battery, and also will receive power from my solar panel to feed my auxiliary battery. I got a Renogy 100 watt pure sine wave inverter, which will be more than enough for what I need. Got a battery box. Gonna use that for my auxiliary battery. Since I have no idea how to mount it in the engine bay, I'm just gonna keep it in the back in the cargo area. And I also ordered a third row seat delete from what was it called? Was it CB Rack Design, or I'm not sure, but I'll leave a link in the description. So I will be deleting my third row, and I'm gonna get some drawers and a slider for the fridge, which ARB actually has a slider for this fridge. And but yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you things I have so far. Let's go to the car real quick so I can show you the battery I bought, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with the third row delete. Okay, guys, so this is the battery I got. It's a Duracell Ultra Marine and RV Platinum AG. It's a deep cycle. It's 105 amp hour, I guess. And I bought it from Batteries Plus. And seems to be a good battery from what I've read online. It's made by this other company. I forget what it's called, but yeah, you've got your top post regular connections here. Then you got the little ones here. I think it's 5/16 or something. I haven't taken this out of the car since I bought it because it's super heavy and it doesn't really fall over or move around, so I'm just gonna keep it in here until I do my install. But yeah, the third row delete basically is gonna give me this, I don't know, I think it's 6 inches basically that I'm losing with these third row seats. So once I get rid of the third row seats, the loading level is gonna be right here. So that's a good amount of space that we're losing right now for this third row, which I never use. No one in the house uses. I thought my son would use it, but he doesn't either. So, but yeah, this is gonna be gone. It's custom made, custom built by that only one company, so it takes a while. Maybe 2, 3, 4 weeks, I don't know. And but yeah, guys, I'm gonna take you along with me on my build. And I'm first gonna do the roof rack install, and after that we'll start doing the wiring. Like I said, I don't know much about wiring, but we'll get it done one way or another. And yeah, I just wanted to get this out of the way first, get all my electrical stuff done with my 12-volt system. And once that's out of the way, I have a little suspension lift planned. I already found the parts that I want to get. They're old man emus or whatever. And but that's, you know, after I get this whole system done. And yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned and subscribe. I'm gonna have a lot of interesting content coming to the channel soon, so especially with this GX460 Overland build. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon, hopefully this coming week, for the install of the Prinsu roof rack, and then we'll go from there. Thanks guys, bye.